Have you ever fallen into the trap of greed? Listen to this. A trader came to a village and announced he would buy every parrot for 10 rupees, the next day 20, and soon 50 rupees each. Blinded by greed, people rushed to catch parrots. Then the trader left and his assistant said, "Tomorrow these parrots will sell for 50, but I can give them to you now for 35. Villagers invested all their savings, dreaming of profit. But the next day, neither the trader returned nor the assistant, and the villagers were left only with noisy parrots and shattered dreams.